How do you register copyright for a derivative work? Have you ever wondered how to protect your creative adaptations? If you are working on a derivative work, you need to know how to register your copyright properly. Let's break down the steps you need to take to secure your rights. First, understand what a derivative work is. It is a new creation that transforms or adapts existing material. This could be a new translation of a book, a musical based on a story, or even a remix of a song. When you create something new from an existing work, you must register your copyright to protect your contributions. To start the registration process, you will need to complete a copyright application. This application must clearly identify the new material you have added to the original work. Make sure to include details about the original work as well. Your application should include the following key elements: the author or authors of the new material, the title of your derivative work, and the year you completed it. It is essential to describe the new material you created and specify any limitations on your claim. For example, if there are parts of the original work you are not claiming copyright for, mention that. Next, you will need to provide information about the original work. If it has been registered before, include its registration details. This helps clarify the relationship between your new work and the original. Along with your application, you must submit a non-refundable filing fee. The fee varies depending on the method of registration. The United States Copyright Office prefers online registration through their electronic system. This method is faster and usually costs less than paper applications. You will also need to deposit copies of your derivative work. This means providing a tangible copy of your new creation, which can be either digital or physical. Make sure your submission meets the requirements set by the Copyright Office. Once you submit your application, a registration specialist will review it. They will check to see if your claim meets the legal requirements. If everything is in order, you will receive a certificate of registration. This certificate serves as public proof of your copyright claim in the derivative work. Registering your copyright for a derivative work is essential for protecting the new creative elements you have contributed. Remember, copyright safeguards your expression of ideas, while trademark law protects brand identifiers and patent law covers inventions. To summarize, here are the steps to register copyright for a derivative work. Identify and describe the new material you added, provide information about the original work, complete the copyright application form, submit the required filing fee, and deposit copies of your derivative work. Following these steps will help ensure that your original contributions are legally recognized and protected.